Apple means seb. B for ball. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for girl. Girl means ladki. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for inkpot. Inkpot means स्याही का दवात. J for joker. Joker means मस्खरा. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for owl. Owl means उल्लू. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means मलका. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for telephone. Telephone means telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. V for van. Van means gaadi. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone. Xylophone means बाजा. Y for yacht. Yacht means बागवानी कश्ती. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel please.